Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the bumper grill on a F10 BMW, which is runs from 2011 to I think 2016, 528, 535 and all that. So they already have this concept of bumper grill instead of the hood grill since 2004, before it used to be hood grill. So I already removed the grills, the old ones, and I have some new M-stripe black double slide grills ordered from eBay, of course. Very easy. So first of all, you have to go through this T30 torque screws. So there are a couple of them. So one here, so it starts from here at the very just near the headlight. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them, remove it, and then there are these little clips that are holding this trim piece in here. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's it. 4 of those clips you can see, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T30. I don't know if you'll see that T30. That's T30. After that, it's all about, you know, getting to those clips. This is the right grill. So see these clips. These are the clips that the tabs you have to push down on, and slowly tug it gently so that 1, 2 and 3 at the top, and 2 on the right side, 1 on the left side. That should, you know, if you juggle it a little bit, it should just, you know, pop out from the top. The bottom ones are not easy to get to. You don't really have to get to it. There are 3 of them. You just kinda, you know, pull it out a little bit. Then if you can put your hands through the bumper, you can actually, it's flexible, so you go through here and then kinda push the clips and then pull it. It should easily come out. And then putting the new ones back in place is pretty easy. You just pop them back in, put it in and in place, and just give it a push, hard push. It should be clicking back in, and that should be it. Good to go. Thank you for watching.